Good afternoon, students. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. And today again we are going to start one new topic in our chapter number 5. We have started chapter number 5 in our previous lecture, and in that lecture we have done addition by counting forward. Okay. So what we are going to do today is subtraction by backward counting. So for that all of you open page number 74 in your book and take out your notebooks also. Fast students. Open your book and open page number 74. Open page number 74 in your maths book, and the topic that is given on that page is subtraction by backward counting. Okay, and take out your notebooks also, and I have given you some questions also. In our previous lecture I have given you some question, 4 question of solving addition by forward counting. So I hope all of you have done it very correctly. Okay, so take out new page and write today's date. What is the date today? Write here date. What is the date today? Date is 22, right? 22/12/2020. 22/12/2020. Write today's date. Now write the topic that we are going to do today. What is the topic? I have explained you before also. That means in addition, what we will do? In addition, we will do forward counting, and in subtraction, we will do backward counting. Okay. So in the similar way we have done in our number line also. In number line, addition on number line, we move one step ahead. आगे की तरफ हमने one step लिया था. And in our subtraction we move one step backward side. Okay. So in the same way, in subtraction and in addition, while we are doing addition, we are doing forward counting, we are count numbers forward, and in subtraction we will count numbers backward. Okay. So first write the heading. Write heading subtraction by subtraction. Subtraction by backward. BACKWARD. Subtraction by backward counting. If you want to underline, you underline the heading also. Subtraction by backward counting. Subtraction by backward counting. Subtraction by backward counting. Now write the first question. A 20 minus 2. Okay. In addition we have done forward counting. Okay. And we count the numbers forward. But in subtraction we are doing backward counting. So here we count the number backward. So write count backward, count backward, count backward from 20. हमें backward count करना है कहाँ से? From 20. So how many numbers we have to count backward? 2 numbers. So make here 2 boxes. One and arrow will be now in this direction. क्योंकि हम पीछे की तरफ आ रहे हैं इसलिए now the sign of arrow will be changed. So make here 2 boxes and write here 20 because 20 is already given. Okay, and we have to count 2 numbers backward 20. So which number first to write this much, then I will explain you. Write fast. Okay, written. Now see, 20 minus 2. That means you have to count 2 number backward after 20. Okay, अपन को 2 numbers back count करना है 20 के बाद. So count after count backward from 20. So we have to count 2 numbers. So I have made here 2 boxes. Okay, now which number will come before 20? Which number will come before 20? 19. So write here 19. Now which number will come before 19? 18. So write here 18. So what is the number in the last box? 18. So write here 18. Write fast. Now the next question B. The question given in the book is 35 minus 3. 35 minus 3. So we have to count 3 numbers backward from 35. We have to count 3 numbers backward from 35. So first round, count backward from 35. So how many numbers we have to count? How many numbers we have to count? We have to count. We have to make here sign of equals to. How many numbers we have to count backward? 3. So make here 3 boxes. 1. Write arrow in this direction. Why? Because we are doing backward counting. Therefore, the sign of arrow should be in the backward direction. Okay. In subtraction, we are doing backward counting. So the sign of arrow should be in the backward direction. पीछे की तरफ. Okay. Now which number will come here? Here we will write 3, 5, 35. First you do this much, then we will solve it. Write fast. Written. Now see, The number written here is 3, 5, 35. Now which number will come before 35? The number that come before 35 is 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. Now one more box is there. So again write the number that come before 34. The number that come before 34 is 3, 3, 33. Now the last box remains. Now which number will come before 33? 32. So write here 3, 2, 32. So our last box is this and the number written inside the last box is 32. That means 35 minus 3 will be 32. So our answer is 3 to 32. Write fast. Okay, I hope all of you have written it. Now we will solve the next question. Now, what is the next question? 46 minus 5. Write the next question. C. 46 minus 5. 46 minus 5. That means we have to count 5 numbers back from 46. How many numbers we have to count backward? We have to count 5 numbers backward from 46. We have to count 5 numbers backward from 46. Okay. So, copy the question first. Now, what is the first step? We have to count backward. So, write count backward, count backward from 46. So how many numbers we have to count backward? That depend on this second number. So the second number is 5. That means we have to count 5 numbers backward from 46. So make here 5 boxes and make the sign of arrow in the backward direction. Why? Because in this we are doing subtraction, and in subtraction we will do backward counting. So the sign of arrow should be in the backward direction. 3, 4, 5. And which number will come this side? 4, 6, 46. Write fast. Okay, now start writing the numbers backward from 46. So the number that come before 46 will be 45. Next number 44. Then 43. Then 42. And last number will be 41. Again see, the number that come before 46 is 45. Number that come before 45 is 44. Before number of 44 is 43. And the before number of 43 is 42. And before number of 42 will be 41. So this is the last box and the number written in this box is 41. So the answer of 46 minus 5 is 4141. Copy fast. Now the next question, D. D is 58 minus 5. 58 minus 5. 58 minus 5. That means we have to count again 5 number backward from 58. In this question also we have to count 5 number back from 58. So write count backward from 58. So how many numbers you have to count backward from 58? 5 numbers. So make 5 boxes. 1. Again make arrow in the opposite direction, backward direction. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now write the number here. 5, 8, 58. Write the question fast, then we will do the solution. Write it fast. Now start writing the answer. First again read the question. 58 minus 5. That means we have to count 5 number backward from 58. That means we have to make 5 boxes here. Now start writing the before number. Before number of 58 is 5, 7, 57. Now the before number of 57 will be 56. So write here 5, 6, 56. Now again which number will come before 56? 55. So write here 5, 5, 55. Now one more box is here. So the number that come before 55 will be 54. So write here 5, 4, 54. Now the last box, again the before number of 54 is 53. 53. So the answer of 58 minus 5 is 53. 53. Write the answer. And copy the answer from the board. Copy correct from the board. draw this line. Okay. Write the next question E and try to solve this question yourself. 100 minus 4. 100 minus 4. Try to solve this question. In this question you have to count backward from 100. And how many numbers you have to count? Backward 4 numbers. So make here 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And write here 100, 100. Try to solve yourself. Do yourself. Try to solve this question. Now check your answer. What is our question? 100 minus 4. Okay. That means we have to count 4 number back from 100. So start counting 4 numbers back from 100. So the number that come before 100 is 99, 99. Now the number that come before 98 is, 99 will be 98. So write here 98. Now the number that come before 98 will be 97. So write here 97. And the last box, that means the number that come before 97 will be 96. So this is our last box and the number in this box is 96. So answer of 100 minus 4 will be 96. So write here 96. Okay. So one more question remains. So this question I am writing on the board and you try to do yourself. Copy this question first. D. Copy this question. Then I will write the next last question F and you try to solve this question. Okay. Write this question fast. Last question is write F. 82 minus 1. 82 minus 1. That means only you have to count one number before 82. So write count backward from 82. So how many numbers you have to count backward? Only one number, because here 1 is written. So only one box, make one box and write here 82. 82. So before number of 82 is 81. So write here 81. So the answer of 82 minus 81 will be 81. Do it. Write fast. question G. -78 minus 6. This question is not given in your book. This is extra question, so try to solve it. Count backward from 78. So how many numbers you have to count backward from 78? 6. So make here 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the last number? 78. Try to solve this question fast. Now check your answers. The number that comes before 78 will be 77. Next number will be 76. Then 75. Then 74. Next number 73. And last will be 72. So the number in the last box is 72. So answer of 78 minus 6 will be 72. Okay. Now write some homework questions. Just after G, write homework and H, I, J and K. 4 homework questions. So write the homework questions. Right? 48 minus 5. 48 minus 5. Right, next question. 35 minus 4. 35 minus 4. Next. 69 minus 5. 69 minus 5. And last. 82 minus 6. These are homework questions. These are extra questions. These questions are not given in your book. So I have given you some extra question for your practice. So try to solve these questions same way, similar way that we have done subtraction by backward counting. Again I am reading once again homework questions for you. 48 minus 5, that means you have to count 5 numbers backward from 48. Next is 35 minus 4. In this question you have to count 4 number backward from 35. Next is 69 minus 5 and last is 82 minus 6. Okay, so try to solve this question. And for today it is sufficient. Again we will meet in our next lecture with some new topics. So have a nice day. Bye students.